How to delete liked songs on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your liked songs on Spotify. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy with this video. First and foremost, you want to open up your Spotify application and make sure you sign into your account. Now here you'll get an interface like this on the home page. You can see at the bottom of your screen you can see 4 different options that says home, search, your library and premium option, right? What you want to do is you want to tap on your library option in order to find your liked songs list. Simply tap on your library option and you'll be headed into this page. Under your library you can see the very first option that says liked songs. Now here on the liked songs you'll be able to view your liked songs list, so you want to simply tap on liked songs. Now here you can see I have 4 different liked songs. In order to remove it from liked songs, what you want to do is you want to simply tap on the heart icon that you can see along with the song, and you want to tap on it and then tap on remove option. It says remove from liked songs, right? Simply tap on remove and it'll be removed as you can see on the screen. Similarly you can do so for the others, so this way you can delete liked songs on Spotify. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.